How to blur pictures on Canva. Hello everybody and welcome to this video where I'm going to show you exactly how to blur pictures on Canva, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So what I need to do first is to actually just find an image that I want to blur. So I'm going to take this one right here. So I'm going to drag it here as you can see. So now when I have done that, then I need to click on the image itself and then click on Edit Image. Now in here, as you can see, it says brightness, contrast, and saturation. We need to click where it says See All. And then in here, we actually need to select these settings, this one called Blur. So if I just click here and drag it to the right, then you can see that my picture is getting more and more blurry. And yeah, you can basically play around with this one and yeah, find the perfect setting for you. And also if you drag it to the left, then the picture get more and more like sharper basically. So yeah, this is exactly how to blur an image on Canva. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will try my very best to try to help you. And also, don't forget to leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.